In this video, we're going to go over what a system of equations is, and as well as how to graph it, solve it by graphing. So basically, a system of equations is when we're trying to solve more than one equation at once. So here we have two equations. We can have more than that, but in this class we're only going to do systems with two equations. So the idea is that with either one of these equations, so with this first equation, there are infinitely many ordered pairs or infinitely many x and y coordinates that will make this equation true. The same thing with the second equation. There are infinitely many x and y coordinates that will make this equation true if I plug them in for the x and for the y. So when we're solving in a system, what we're interested in is which ones make both of them true. Now for the ones we're going to be working with, there's going to only be one ordered pair that will make both of the equations true. Okay, so there's three ways we're going to learn to solve these. One is by graphing, the other method is the addition method, and the third method is the substitution method. This video is focused on the graphing method. So what we know is any equation, when we graph that equation, so when I graph this equation I'm highlighting in yellow, I get this line. And what that line is infinitely many ordered pairs that if I take any of those ordered pairs and plug it into the equation, it makes it true. Similarly for the other equation, when I graph that line, what I'm graphing is a bunch of ordered pairs that satisfy the equation or make it true when the x and y of each of those ordered pairs are plugged in. So if in a system we are looking for where the ordered pairs are true in both equations, essentially what we're looking for is the point at which they intersect, because that's going to be where there's a point that makes both equations true. So the solution to this equation is going to be the ordered pair 3, 2. So when you're solving them by graphing, you just have to find the point where the two lines that correspond to the given equations intersect, and then that's where the solution is. Now, sometimes, like here, I gave you the graph. Sometimes you will have to create the graph yourself, but the solution to the system is going to be where those two lines intersect. So go ahead and give some of these a try and see how you fare.